Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to go and edit your store fonts on Sellfy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in sellfy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Sellfy if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here in the top left corner, we have your name where you can have your account settings, billing, email notifications, purchases. We have everything about your store here. And down here, marketing and all of those things. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and edit your store's fonts on Sellfy. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So in the top right corner, we have the customize store where you can go and click on it. Here, in the top left corner, as you can see, we have your store settings. So you just need to go and to change, of course, your fonts. You need to go and click on general settings. Here guys, as you can see, you can go and click on your logo and here you have the fonts that you can go and change. Also, you can go store styles and here you can also go and change the fonts. So you have text font in the bottom of the screen. You can click on it, click on the font that you want and save it and publish it at the end. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.